Alright, heading to the gym. Today's probably going to be a sucky day at the gym. It's chest day. For anyone that knows about the gym and chest day, like Monday is like referred to, it's called International Chest Day. It's a thing. I'll put something on the screen somewhere, I don't know, somewhere up there. It's annoying because people like me just want to like get in, do my stuff, and get out. Jeez, look at all these cars. Oh my God.
6.5 hours later.
What is this guy actually wearing? Is that? Time to make up some food. Honestly, when it comes to my diet, I'm not all that strict with it, with the exception of breakfast. So I just have time for oatmeal most days. Lunch is kind of up in the air just because I drive a lot for work, so I usually eat out. But dinner is my favorite because I pretty much just have the time to make the food that I want and, you know, sit down and enjoy it after. So I'm thinking tonight I'm gonna make some turkey burgers with some tater tots because, you know, everyone loves tater tots. No, I'm not gonna eat all this tonight. It's probably half for dinner and then half for lunch tomorrow. So while we're waiting for all that to cook, I think it'd be a good chance for story time.
Story time.
After I uploaded my first vlog, I quickly realized that I never really told you about myself. I guess as viewers, you guys should probably know that. My name is Jordan. I'm 25 years old and I live in Fort Wayne, Indiana. For those of you that haven't heard of Fort Wayne, it's, I think, the second largest city in Indiana. Aside from that, I went to Ball State University for 4 years and I left with my bachelor's degree. Honestly, those years were probably some of the best times that I've had, and if you're watching this and you're still in school, enjoy it. I majored in criminal justice and I minored in Spanish. And after graduating, I worked in the criminal justice field for about 2 years, maybe a little bit less. That wasn't the field for me, so eventually I left and I found my current job. I'm the assistant safety director for a construction company. And honestly, that keeps you pretty busy and I love working there. I promise I'm not ass-kissing either. I mean, I really love the job. It's perfect for me. In my spare time, which I feel like there's hardly any of that now, I'm usually at the gym with my friends or editing videos together. I kind of wanted to leave this story time thing open for you guys. If you have any questions or, you know, like if you want to know something about me, just comment down below and tell me what you want to know and I'll see what I can do. All right, it is about 7:30 now, heading over to my dad's. I'm gonna have dinner with my dad and my sister tonight. We try and do this periodically, but lately it seems like we haven't been having dinner that often. Just, I don't know, I guess we're all busy or I don't know. I have never seen another person in this hallway. It's like kind of creeping me out. I think I might be the only person that lives here. Okay, let me explain the hat thing. I'm not balding or anything. I just really need a haircut and it's a lot easier to do this and I'm kind of lazy, so just keep that in mind. What's up?
This is kind of cooking down a little bit with the noodles and the bread. How you doing?
Good, good.
You look good.
Thanks.
No. No. No.
I'm not sure why that's locked. We're on the second floor. Alright, just got on the road, driving down to Indy for the night, going to this housewarming party that our friend Rose is having. She's in Carmel, which is just a little bit north of Indy. I think it's about an hour and a half south of Fort Wayne. Really looking forward just to seeing some old friends and, I I don't know, see what trouble we can get into. Almost to my exit, but I'm passing by something and I think that's an opportunity I can't pass up. This place is absolutely massive. It is so confusing in here. Like I've gotten lost twice, and it's honestly kind of awkward to film because there's like a billion people and they just kind of look at you weird, but finding some pretty cool stuff. I needed a new doormat, new pillow top comforter for my bed, and then just a spot to put my silverware, because right now it's just kind of sitting in a drawer and it looks kind of trashy. So oh shit, hello. That's expensive.
Can you open this for me?
Not sure why this is locked. We're on the 5th floor.